Lego is one of her favorite childhood toys, so what if I make it bigger?
So instead of designing this by myself, I thought I would just go to printables.com because I have no modeling experience. Here's the creator's name as well as the model's name, and link in the description if you want to find it. So I downloaded the files and uploaded them to Cura, and then I started printing, take them off the build plate, fail at some tricks, and an epic montage. And after doing some calculations, I found out that this lightsaber is 42 millimeters, and this lightsaber is 175 millimeters, meaning that this lightsaber is almost 300% bigger than this lightsaber. And for a size comparison, be sure to subscribe and go follow my TikTok and my Instagram. I post stuff all the time over there. This is the first thing that I've created, so subscribe. I don't know, you may get a giant Oreo.